So I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite places here on the lot. It's called Amity Island. Now I know. Some of you are like, hey Victor, wasn't Amity Island terrorized by a giant man-eating shark? Well, yeah, it was, but they caught him. He's right there. So we have nothing to worry about. So just remain seated. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful New England. We're gonna need a bigger tram. Okay, don't worry. I have my friend police diver George. He's in the water. George! Oh, there he is. George, hey dude, help us out, man. Oh, no. We were supposed to get margaritas after this. Oh, George. He had a lot of guts to be out there. Ew, there they are. Okay. How about we hide behind these extremely flammable gas tanks? That seems like the right thing to do. I'm not panicking, you're panicking. Oh, my friend George, well, I guess my old friend George, may he rest in pieces. The shark took the whole pier. Now it's lit. Does anybody have an eye on the shark? Anyone? Someone? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our mechanical shark, Bruce! Thanks, Bruce!